Alright, Dr. Kemp back here, and the ball that I worked on yesterday, the basketball, it's almost ready. I'm having to add some more rubber cement to it. So what I've done is I've already stuck the needle inside of the ball. This is another fresh tube of rubber cement that I've already deflated the ball. It lost a couple of pounds of pressure overnight, so that's why I'm adding more rubber cement to it. So the process is working, but evidently there were more holes in the ball than I had anticipated, and so I had to go and get another tube of rubber cement to add, and that's what I just did. So alright, I'm just removing that, and so now the ball is full again of the liquid rubber cement, and I'm going to hand it to the boys outside and let them roll this ball around for a while before I bring it back inside and pump it up. Alright, so I'm going to let them play with it, move this rubber cement around in the ball, and then we'll put air in it, and hopefully this time it'll remain inflated for a much longer period of time. So now I can tell the difference by putting some rubber cement in it before. It's just that it did lose a couple pounds, but much fewer pounds than it did previously before putting that cement in. So the cement process is working. So until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp saying to you, have a peaceful day. Goodbye.